Hi friends, welcome to this video. So this is the very important question, right? So the question goes like this: identify the product Z in the given sequence of reaction. See, they have given the sequence of reaction. So this is starting compound. They have added this reagent to get X, second reagent to get Y, and third reagent to get Z. We have to tell the Z product. They have asked Z, which is the Z. So you may feel that very difficult question, but you have studied, if you have studied the ncrt, right? ncert clearly you can tell about this reaction, right? So let me start. So initially I have what? I have this one, ch3 cn means c triple bond n. To that I am adding what? Sodium in presence of ethanol, C2H5OH, right? So this is a reducing agent. This is what? Reducing agent. What is this reducing agent? This triple bond is there, right? That will be reduced to single bond. CH3 remains as it is, CH3. Here I had C triple bond N, now it becomes CH2 single bond NH2. Means the three bonds will be there, right? Only one bond will be here between carbon and nitrogen. Other two bonds will vanish. Here two hydrogens will come and here two hydrogens will come. So I'll get what? From cyanide I'll get what? Amines. I'll get what? Amines. What kind of amine? It is primary amine, RNH2. Instead of writing RNH2 I have written CH3CH2NH2, right? Ethyl amine we call it as, right? So what is this sodium in presence of ethanol? It acts as what? Reducing agent. So it will reduce triple bond cyanide to amines, right? So this is my X. What is this? This is my X, not that X, this X here, right? So HNO2 in presence of heating. So HNO2 is called, you have studied it in diazotization, where benzene diazonium chloride will be formed, right? In anilines. In the same way, if I have primary amines, if I add HNO2, if I heat it, this HNO2 will be not as it is. HNO2 aqueous will be there, means along with that there will be water. What it will do? It will form this one initially, CH3 CH2 N2 plus Cl minus diazo, like salt will, diazonium salt will be formed, diazonium chloride will be formed. As there is water, H2O, this oxygen will bind here, this N2 is good living group, it leaves. I'll get water, alcohol, CH3 CH2OH, right? This reaction is directly there in NCERT. If you have studied NCERT, you can easily tell the primary amines HNO2 heat, it will form alcohol. Why? Because this NH2 will be formed N2 plus and it will be removed out, and this alcohol water OH will be there, right? It forms what? Alcohol, like this, right? So this is our Y. I hope you have got what is X. X is primary amine. What is Y? That is nothing but the primary alcohol, right? So primary alcohol, CH3 CH2OH, right? Primary alcohol is the Y. Followed by what they have added? Baeyers reagent. What is this Baeyers reagent? Baeyers reagent is nothing but the alkali KMNO4, right? So this we call it as Baeyers reagent. Alkali KMNO4, it is a very strong oxidizing agent, right? So very strong oxidizing agent means what? If I had a primary alcohol, for example, if I had this one, let us assume CH3 CH2OH. If I add mild oxidizing agent like PCC, PDC, these things are there in NCERT, right? What I will get? I used to get CH3 C double bond OH, aldehyde I used to get. So primary alcohol I used to get what? Aldehyde. Instead of this mild oxidizing agent, if I add strong oxidizing agent like alkali KMNO4, the primary alcohol I'll get what? CH3. Here CH2OH, initially it was become aldehyde, right? C double bond OH. But here in presence of strong oxidizing agent like Baeyers reagent, this alcohol, primary alcohol, will be converted to what? Carboxylic acid, CH3. This COOH will happen. So COOH. So this is nothing but the acetic acid, we will get it. So option here A, C, they have given aldehyde to confuse you. No, we won't get aldehyde, because We will only tell the product when we know what is this Bayer's reagent. Bayer's reagent is what? Strong oxidizing agent. So if mild oxidizing agent, we used to get this aldehyde. Since it is strong oxidizing agent, we won't get this aldehyde. Amide we won't get, and this also we won't get. The option is C. We get acetic acid, that is CH3COH. Right. So see this about Bayer's reagent, about HNO2, about sodium in presence of ethanol. Everything is there in NCRT. If you have studied this NCRT thoroughly, you can easily solve this problem. Initially you might find difficult, but once you have studied chemistry easily, understood, then you can easily solve such kind of problems. Thank you.